excited because my ECU is finally here. So just picked up Emerald K6 ECU and it's here along with the adapter harness. So I'm gonna open it up, get ready and install it, and then in the next few days I'm gonna get the car down and tuned. Okay. Hey, free stickers. Yep, Emerald. Thank you guys over at Emerald. Nice little diagram. Hey guys, I decided to switch from the megasquirt.
You what?
Well, you'll see. That's kind of a secret, but this is gonna be a whole lot better for my build. And basically decided to get this set up just because this is gonna work a lot better. Comes with the CD. Already got the software. Nice little harness. BMW intake air temp sensor, how it should be. Some extra connections. And bad boy itself. See, it's really awesome packaging. After struggling for a while. Alright. There it is in all its beauty. Emerald K6. Really nice. Pretty clean. Alright. And again, really well packaged. Straight from England. Boom. There you go. Alright, so there we got harness, ECU, tuning cable, sensor, connectors, CD, sticker, and pinout. There you go, guys. Emerald K6. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go test the ECU. Basically got everything hooked up besides these three leads. Basically one's for the intake air temp, map sensor, and then TPS. So I'm gonna have to move some stuff on that side so I can get it through the firewall. Go ahead and connect those things up. Alright guys, so all the leads are connected. Just set things up for now. Map sensor, boost controller, CPS, and everything else is already set. Had to just open up this little connector over here, just fish the wires through for now. I'm just gonna have to connect the ECU, switch it on, just double check, make sure everything's good in the map, and then I should be able to start it up. Alright guys, so it's Thursday and basically getting ready to go back home. Gotta set a few things up, just got the ECU and everything just sitting in here for now. And pulled out the megasquirt, getting ready to package that up to send it off to its new owner. Took out that bracket, and basically I'm gonna have to take out these brackets and then make my own mounting system for the ECU. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and wire up the wideband and launch control, which I have my clutch switch in here. So I just need to put one wire to ground and then one wire leading over from the other side of the car over to here for the clutch input, and the flex fuel sensor, that's gonna just stay open for now. Basically underneath here, what I'm gonna end up doing, there's a space. Let's see if I can get a flashlight. There's a space over by the clutch, and when I get to that point I'll show you guys a little bit more, so that the clutch switch can sit in front of the clutch pedal, and all I have to do is just make a ground wire from the clutch pedal to probably the same spot on the body that I put the wideband, so somewhere up there in that mess of wires. Yeah, like right over there where that blue and black wire is, or black wire with a blue connection. Probably gonna go there. And once I do that, I'll have launch control basically set up like factory cars. You just push the clutch in, give it full throttle, and then you're ready to go. And basically I got the new intake air temp sensor, but I don't have a bung for it yet, so it's gonna stay here for now. When I get back home on Friday, I'll set that up. Then decided that I'm gonna route these wires through here because that's gonna be the cleanest area. I need to cut a little notch in here so the wires can come out. One that goes to the map sensor and then intake air temp sensor. So this one will end up going here. And then I decided I'm also gonna move the boost controller. Alright guys, so I got the ECU mounted for the most part. I ran out of metal, so I wasn't able to mount the rear end, but basically the front's mounted. So what I'm gonna do is remake this, just make it out of one whole piece. I just used a piece of scrap aluminum that I had for the most part, so I have everything lined up, so when I get the full piece I can mark everything, cut it out, and then mount it. But it fits. Even got the plastic guard to fit also. Had to do a little bit of trimming. Got that to fit perfectly, so that's done. I just soldered the wire for the wideband. Alright guys, so I've been doing homework and messing around with the car since earlier. Didn't really give you guys a view of it running, but there you go. Running the Emerald K6 ECU, idling perfect. It's really awesome, sounds pretty good. Sounds really smooth. Still haven't fully set things up. Just been dealing with homework and other stuff. But there you have it. That throttle response though. Alright, but well, when I get it set back up completely, then I'll show you guys. Still got to set up a few things, wideband to the Emerald, and then also got to set up the launch control switch, which I have right here. So that just needs to be hooked up, wired up, and that will be good to go. Alright guys, so moment of truth is coming. Basically getting ready to go over my fabricators. Also got to go Advanced Auto Parts, pick up some spark plugs, some oil, change the oil out, have a spare set of plugs so I can get the car tuned and everything. But I'm gonna go over fabricators, gonna get the car set up with launch control and everything, set up the map switching switch, and then everything should be good. But I will see you guys back when I got launch control set up, get some video of that, and then also when I'm at the dyno. So see you guys then.